What if I told you that an invisible force is quietly shaping your health, emotions, and even the course of your life? A force so subtle yet immensely powerful that it weaves together every aspect of your being, mind, body, and spirit, while influencing the very nature of your reality. Imagine that every thought you've ever had, every emotion you've ever felt, and even the physical state of your body does not remain confined within you, but instead radiates outward into an unseen field of energy. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy. Across different cultures and throughout history, this force has been known by many names: the aura, the etheric body, the biofield. And now, modern science is beginning to catch up with what ancient wisdom has long understood. The human energy field isn't just an abstract concept. It's a dynamic, living force, an intricate web that bridges the connection between your physical self and the universe. It surrounds you, pulses within you, and interacts with the energies of the world around you in ways that most never notice. Think of it as an unseen current, an ever-flowing river of energy that influences every aspect of your existence. It holds memories, emotions, and experiences beyond what the conscious mind can grasp, shaping not only your well-being, but the very essence of who you are. At its core, this energy field is made up of multiple layers, each playing a crucial role in shaping your experiences. The most recognizable of these is the electromagnetic field, a measurable and tangible force generated by the activity within every cell of your body. This is the spark of life itself, the heartbeat, the nerve impulses, the electrical signals that keep your physical form in motion. But beyond what science can easily measure lies something even more fascinating: the biofield. Unlike the electromagnetic field, the biofield isn't bound by space or time. It expands far beyond your body, connecting your inner world to the vast external universe in ways that are only beginning to be understood. Some researchers describe it as a putative field, a field of energy that bridges the gap between the seen and unseen, linking the internal state of your being to the outer world in ways that challenge conventional understanding. And then, there are the subtle energy bodies, delicate layers of energy that overlap and intertwine to form the entirety of what many call the auric field. These layers are like threads in a tapestry, each serving a distinct function, from the physical and emotional to the mental and spiritual. Together, they create the complete energetic blueprint of your being. This isn't just mystical speculation. Some of the most brilliant minds in science have explored these fields, uncovering astonishing insights. Take Rupert Sheldrake, a pioneering biologist whose work on morphogenetic fields has reshaped the way we think about consciousness and energy. His research suggests that these fields act like an energetic database, an invisible blueprint that doesn't just shape the development of our bodies, but also influences our emotions, behaviors, and even inherited traits. He calls this process morphic resonance, a phenomenon that allows similar forms, whether cells, animals, or even human beings, to exchange and replicate information across time and space. For example, have you ever noticed how certain skills, talents, or personality traits seem to be passed down through generations, even when DNA alone doesn't seem to explain them? How is it that some families produce generation after generation of gifted musicians, artists, or thinkers? Sheldrake's theory proposes that these talents might not just be encoded in genes, but instead be transferred through the unseen web of morphogenetic fields, an energetic archive that passes down experiences and abilities beyond physical inheritance. This idea also provides fascinating insights into why animals seem to instinctively know behaviors they were never taught, or why clusters of people across the world can develop similar knowledge without ever having met. But the implications go even further. If memories and experiences can be stored within an energetic field rather than just within the brain, could this be the key to understanding past life memories? Could the energy of a soul tap into its own unique morphogenetic resonance, carrying forward experiences and wisdom from previous lifetimes? This perspective challenges conventional views of consciousness and suggests that our understanding of memory, identity, and even destiny may be far more complex than we ever imagined. Beyond these scientific perspectives lies the concept of the etheric body, an intricate matrix that serves as the bridge between our physical existence and the subtle energy realms. This energetic layer is the foundation upon which our physical body is built, existing even before our cells develop. It binds the physical, emotional, swinging, and spiritual aspects of our being into a single cohesive system, influencing not just our health, but our very essence. Ancient traditions have long spoken of this energy body, describing it as the vehicle through which life force energy flows, connecting us to something greater than ourselves. Barbara Brennan, a renowned expert in energy healing, describes the etheric body as a pre-physical blueprint, an energetic template that guides the structure and function of the physical body. When disruptions occur in this field, whether through trauma, stress, or imbalance, they don't just affect our energy, they ripple into the physical body, manifesting as illness, discomfort, or emotional distress. This is why many holistic healing practices focus on addressing energy imbalances at their root rather than simply treating symptoms. By working with the etheric body, one can restore balance before disruptions solidify into more serious physical conditions. Traditional Eastern medicine has long understood the importance of this energy system. In practices like acupuncture and qigong, energy pathways known as meridians carry life force energy, called qi or prana, throughout the body. These meridians are believed to be more than just metaphorical pathways. Some researchers suggest they may serve as an interface between the physical and etheric realms. Studies have even hinted that these pathways are not merely symbolic, but have a physical basis, forming an interconnected system that governs how energy moves through our being. When the etheric body is healthy and balanced, it ensures the smooth flow of energy through these channels, supporting not just physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. But when the flow of energy is disrupted, whether by negative thoughts, emotional turmoil, or environmental stressors, it can create blockages that eventually manifest as disease or emotional instability. Understanding this interconnectedness allows us to shift from a reactive approach to health toward a more proactive and holistic way of living. And this leads us to one of the most well-known aspects of the human energy field, the aura. Often depicted as a glowing halo of light surrounding the body, the aura is far more than just an artistic symbol. It is a multi-layered energy field that serves as both a protective shield and a transmitter, constantly interacting with the world around us. Some traditions have called it the astral light, while others describe it as the spiritual radiance that emanates from the soul. Across cultures and religious traditions, depictions of enlightened figures often feature glowing coronas of light, hinting at an ancient recognition of this subtle energy field. Each layer of the aura corresponds to a different aspect of our being. The physical layer, closest to the body, reflects the state of our physical health. The emotional layer carries the imprints of our feelings and moods, fluctuating based on our inner state. The mental layer is the seat of thoughts, ideas, and beliefs, shaping how we perceive and interact with the world. Beyond these are the spiritual layers, the astral, celestial, and causal fields, linking us to higher realms of consciousness and universal energy. Scientific studies have even begun to validate some of these ancient teachings. Dr. Valerie Hunt, a researcher in human energy fields, conducted groundbreaking experiments measuring the frequencies emitted by the human body. She discovered that emotional states and physical conditions directly influence the colors and vibrational frequencies of the aura. A calm, meditative state produced soothing blues and greens, while stress and anger manifested as fiery reds and oranges. This suggests that the aura is not just a mystical concept, but a living, dynamic energy system that reflects and influences our physical, mental, and emotional health. And if the aura is malleable, if it can be shaped and influenced by our thoughts, emotions, and external forces, then understanding how to work with this energy field could be the key to unlocking profound levels of healing, transformation, and inner harmony. What if I told you that an invisible force is silently shaping your thoughts, emotions, and even the course of your life? A force so subtle, yet undeniably powerful, that it binds together every part of your existence, mind, body, and spirit. It's not some mystical fantasy. It's a reality that has been acknowledged for centuries, hidden in plain sight, waiting to be understood. Imagine that every idea you've ever conceived, every feeling you've ever experienced, and even the state of your physical health isn't just something internal. It extends beyond you, radiating into an unseen field of energy that connects with the very fabric of the universe. This isn't just speculation. Across time and civilizations, this energy has been called many things: the aura, the etheric body, the biofield. And now, science is finally catching up to what ancient wisdom has long understood. In the coming moments, we'll uncover the secrets of this powerful field that surrounds you. We'll dive into morphogenetic fields, an unseen blueprint that influences not only your DNA, but the very essence of who you are. We'll explore the layers of the human aura, constantly interacting with the environment, shaping your experiences and even your destiny. But most importantly, you'll learn how to harness this energy, using it to bring about profound changes in your health, relationships, and personal growth. The human energy field is far from being an abstract idea. It's a living, breathing force that bridges the gap between your consciousness and your physical reality. Picture it as an invisible yet dynamic web of energy enveloping your body, intertwining with your very being. This energy isn't passive. It pulses, shifts, and responds, influencing every thought you form, every decision you make, and every action you take. It connects you not only to yourself, but also to the people around you, to nature, and even to the cosmos itself. At its most basic level, the human energy field consists of several layers and components. One of the most familiar of these is the electromagnetic field. This field is measurable, scientifically recognized, and generated by every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. It fuels life itself, the rhythmic beating of your heart, the nerve signals traveling through your brain, the currents of energy that sustain your physical form. But beyond this quantifiable layer lies something even more mysterious and intriguing: the biofield. Unlike the electromagnetic field, the biofield isn't limited by time or space. It extends far beyond the body, existing in dimensions we are only beginning to comprehend. Scientists describe it as a putative field, a field of energy that links your internal world to the external universe in ways that defy conventional understanding. This biofield is the conduit through which your emotions, thoughts, and even spiritual essence interact with reality. But it doesn't stop there. Your energy field is composed of multiple subtle layers, each serving a distinct purpose. These layers form the complete picture of your existence, acting as bridges between your physical health, emotional well-being, mental clarity, and spiritual evolution. When these layers are in harmony, life flows effortlessly. But when they fall out of balance, the effects ripple through every part of your being, often manifesting as emotional turmoil, physical illness, or a sense of disconnection from the world. This concept may sound metaphysical, but it has deep roots in scientific inquiry. Renowned researcher Rupert Sheldrake introduced the idea of morphogenetic fields, fields of information that go beyond genetics, influencing not just biological structures, but behaviors, emotions, and even memories. These fields act like energetic blueprints, guiding the development of not just your body, but also your personality, instincts, and inherited traits. Imagine an invisible database that stores the experiences of generations before you, subtly shaping the way you think and behave. Consider this: why do certain talents, emotions, or even fears seem to run in families, beyond what can be explained by DNA alone? Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance suggests that information is stored energetically, passed down through unseen fields that allow patterns to repeat across time and space. This could explain why musicians, artists, or mathematicians often emerge from lineages of similar talent. It could also account for shared instincts among species, why birds migrate without being taught, why animals in separate locations suddenly exhibit the same learned behavior without direct contact. Perhaps even more astonishing is how these fields could hold the key to phenomena like past life memories. If thoughts, emotions, and experiences are imprinted within an energy field, then they might not be lost upon physical death, but instead remain accessible to those who tap into their unique morphogenetic resonance. This challenges conventional views of memory, identity, and consciousness, opening the door to a deeper understanding of existence itself. But what does this mean for you? It means that you are more than just a physical being confined to a body. You are an energetic entity, vibrating at frequencies that intertwine with the universe. Your thoughts and emotions aren't isolated. They extend outward, influencing and being influenced by the world around you. This understanding isn't just theoretical. It has practical applications that can transform your health, your relationships, and your entire life. To truly grasp the power of the energy field, we must first explore its foundational layer, the etheric body. Known as the bridge between the physical world and the unseen realms, the etheric body serves as a matrix of energy that connects your tangible self to the greater forces of existence. It is what binds your physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects into a single, cohesive system. The term etheric originates from the concept of ether, once believed to be the mysterious substance filling all of space. Ancient traditions described ether as the medium through which energy and consciousness move, a hidden force transmitting the frequencies of life itself. The etheric body acts as a pre-physical template, existing before the physical body even takes form. Visionaries like Barbara Brennan have described this energy structure as the scaffolding upon which your health and vitality are built. When this layer is vibrant and strong, you feel energized and whole. But when it is weakened, disruptions can manifest as fatigue, illness, or emotional instability. Traditional Chinese medicine has long recognized the importance of this energetic framework. The meridians, energy pathways that guide the flow of qi through the body, are directly linked to the etheric field. Dr. Kim Bong-han, a pioneering researcher, suggested that these meridians are not just biological pathways, but energetic channels connecting physical and non-physical dimensions. When energy flows smoothly through these channels, health is maintained. But when blockages occur, the effects can be felt on multiple levels: mental, emotional, and physical. Think of your etheric body as the energetic foundation of your being. Any disturbance in this field, whether from stress, trauma, or environmental influences, sends ripples through the entire system. Addressing these imbalances at their source, before they manifest physically, is the key to true holistic healing. Beyond the etheric body lies one of the most well-known aspects of human energy: the aura. This luminous, multi-layered field surrounds you like a radiant bubble of energy, constantly interacting with the environment and those around you. It is both a shield and a transmitter, absorbing and radiating frequencies that shape your interactions, emotions, and overall well-being. Across cultures, the concept of the aura has been recognized for centuries. The Kabbalists referred to it as the astral light, while Buddhist traditions described it as a halo of spiritual energy. Even early Christian art depicted saints and divine figures enveloped in glowing coronas of light. The near-universal acknowledgement of the aura across spiritual traditions suggests that it is not just a symbolic idea, but an intrinsic aspect of human existence. Scientific exploration has even begun to validate the aura's presence. Researchers like Dr. Valerie Hunt have recorded measurable electromagnetic frequencies emanating from the body, corresponding to different emotional states and mental conditions. Calm, meditative states have been shown to produce gentle blues and greens, while stress or anger may manifest as intense reds or oranges. These findings reinforce the idea that our energy fields are dynamic, shifting with our emotions, thoughts, and interactions. But the aura is not just a reflection of your internal state. It is a tool that can be consciously strengthened, cleansed, and optimized to enhance your life. Practices like meditation, breath work, and energy healing can help balance and fortify this field, ensuring that your energetic system remains resilient and vibrant. The aura is more than just a shimmering field of light surrounding your body. It is a living, breathing extension of your energy, constantly interacting with the world around you. It acts as both a protective barrier and a conduit for the energy you give and receive. When your aura is strong and balanced, you feel confident, clear-headed, and emotionally resilient. But when it is weakened or disrupted, you may experience fatigue, emotional instability, or even physical illness. The layers of the aura each serve a unique purpose, functioning together like an intricate ecosystem of energy. The physical layer is the closest to the body, directly linked to your health and vitality. The emotional layer reflects your feelings, shifting in color and intensity based on your mood. The mental layer holds your thoughts, beliefs, and mental patterns, shaping the way you perceive reality. Beyond these, the astral layer connects you to the spiritual realm, while higher layers like the celestial and causal bodies link you to universal consciousness. These layers are not static. They shift, expand, and contract based on your emotions, experiences, and interactions with others. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt tension in the air, even without anyone saying a word? Or perhaps you've met someone whose presence instantly put you at ease. These experiences are the result of energetic exchanges happening on an unseen level. Your aura interacts with the energy fields of others, absorbing and transmitting frequencies that shape your experiences. Scientific research is beginning to validate the presence and impact of the human energy field. Dr. Valerie Hunt's studies using advanced sensors have revealed that different emotional states produce measurable electromagnetic changes in the body's energy field. Positive emotions generate harmonious, flowing energy patterns, while negative emotions create erratic, fragmented vibrations. This suggests that the health of your aura is directly tied to your mental and emotional well-being. But the aura is not just reactive, it is also malleable. You have the power to cleanse, strengthen, and reshape your aura to align with your highest potential. Practices like meditation, energy healing, and even conscious intention can refine and enhance your energy field. When you visualize your aura glowing with vibrant, clear light, you are actively influencing its structure. Breathwork can help release stagnant energy, while grounding exercises stabilize and fortify your field. One of the most powerful ways to maintain a balanced aura is through energetic hygiene. Just as you take a shower to cleanse your physical body, your energy field requires regular cleansing to remove accumulated negativity. Smudging with sage or Palo Santo, taking salt baths, or simply spending time in nature can help clear away stagnant or harmful energies. Crystals, such as black tourmaline or selenite, can also be used to purify and shield your aura from external influences. But beyond cleansing, the key to a radiant aura lies in emotional and mental mastery. Since your thoughts and emotions directly impact your energy field, cultivating a positive mindset and emotional balance is essential. When you dwell on fear, anger, or resentment, your aura becomes cloudy and constricted. On the other hand, when you cultivate gratitude, joy, and love, your energy expands and becomes more vibrant. This is why practices like mindfulness and meditation are so effective. They help you maintain a high-frequency state that strengthens your entire energy system. Understanding your aura means recognizing that you are an energetic being first and foremost. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are not just confined to your mind. They radiate outward, shaping your interactions and experiences. When you become aware of this, you gain the ability to consciously influence your reality. Now, let's explore another crucial aspect of energetic anatomy, the assemblage point. This lesser-known but incredibly powerful energetic center plays a fundamental role in shaping your perception, emotional state, and overall well-being. The assemblage point is where all the lines of your energy field converge, forming the core of your personal energy signature. In most individuals, the assemblage point is located near the center of the chest, aligning with the heart chakra. When it is in its optimal position, you feel balanced, clear-headed, and emotionally stable. But if the assemblage point shifts, due to trauma, stress, or major life events, it can throw your entire energy field into disarray. This can result in feelings of confusion, anxiety, depression, or even chronic fatigue. Ancient shamanic traditions have long recognized the importance of the assemblage point, understanding that its position determines one's perception of reality. In some traditions, shifting the assemblage point is a deliberate practice, used to induce altered states of consciousness or profound spiritual insights. But when the shift occurs involuntarily, due to emotional distress or physical illness, it can create a sense of being out of sync with life. Realigning the assemblage point is a powerful way to restore balance to your energy field. Energy healers use techniques such as sound therapy, crystal healing, and breath work to guide the assemblage point back into its natural position. One of the simplest yet most effective methods involves deep, intentional breathing combined with visualization. By focusing your awareness on your heart center and imagining a bright, stabilizing light, you can gently encourage your energy to realign. In some cases, physical interventions such as acupuncture or energy-based bodywork can also help restore the assemblage point. These techniques work by releasing blockages in the energy field, allowing for a smoother flow of life force energy. When the assemblage point is aligned, your energy becomes more coherent, leading to greater clarity, emotional stability, and physical vitality. Beyond personal energy work, your interactions with others also play a significant role in shaping your energy field. Every encounter, conversation, and relationship involves an exchange of energy. Some people uplift and energize you, while others drain or deplete your vitality. Becoming aware of these dynamics allows you to make conscious choices about the energy you allow into your space. Empaths and highly sensitive individuals are particularly susceptible to absorbing the emotions and energy of those around them. If you often feel exhausted or overwhelmed after being in social situations, you may be unknowingly taking on the energetic burdens of others. Setting energetic boundaries through visualization, affirmations, or shielding techniques can help protect your aura from unwanted influences. A simple yet powerful technique is the golden light shield method. Imagine a radiant, golden sphere of light surrounding your entire body, forming a protective barrier that only allows in positive, high vibrational energy. By reinforcing this shield daily, you create a strong energetic boundary that keeps your aura clear and intact. Another way to maintain energetic integrity is by being mindful of the environments you expose yourself to. Just as certain people can affect your energy, so can physical spaces. Cluttered, chaotic, or emotionally charged environments can weigh down your aura, while nature, sacred spaces, and places of high vibrational energy can rejuvenate and cleanse it. Spending time in high-energy locations, such as forests, mountains, or near bodies of water, can help restore balance to your field. Ultimately, the key to mastering your energy field lies in conscious awareness. When you understand that your aura, assemblage point, and biofield are not fixed but fluid, you gain the ability to shape your reality in profound ways. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, and every action you take contributes to the energetic blueprint of your life. By actively working with your energy, you align yourself with higher states of awareness, emotional harmony, and physical vitality. You begin to see yourself not just as a passive participant in life, but as a co-creator of your own experience. And as your energy field becomes clearer, stronger, and more aligned, you will naturally attract experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with your highest potential. The human energy field does not merely react to internal states, but actively interacts with the world around it. Like a radio antenna, it continuously transmits and receives frequencies, picking up the energies of people, places, and experiences. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt a sense of unease, even before anyone spoke? Or met someone whose presence felt either uplifting or deeply draining? These subtle yet profound experiences are not coincidences. They are the result of energy fields colliding, merging, and exchanging information in ways that defy ordinary perception. This energetic interaction is not limited to physical proximity. Thought itself carries energy, capable of influencing the field around us. Studies in quantum physics suggest that observation alone can change the behavior of subatomic particles, reinforcing the idea that consciousness itself is an active force shaping reality. This principle is echoed in ancient spiritual traditions that emphasize the power of intention. Whether through prayer, meditation, or focused thought, the human mind has the potential to send ripples through the energetic fabric of existence. But if energy can be influenced, it can also be distorted. Negative thoughts, emotional wounds, and external influences can weaken or disrupt the integrity of one's energy field. Prolonged exposure to negativity, whether from toxic relationships, self-doubt, or external stressors, can create imbalances that seep into the body, leading to exhaustion, anxiety, and even physical illness. Just as stagnant water breeds decay, stagnant energy within the biofield can weigh down the spirit, cloud the mind, and create blockages that prevent growth and fulfillment. This is where energy cleansing and healing practices come into play. Throughout history, different cultures have developed methods to clear and realign the human energy field. Some use sound, like the ringing of Tibetan singing bowls, which produce vibrations that resonate with the frequencies of the human biofield, helping to dissolve stagnation. Others use smudging, an ancient practice where sacred herbs like sage or palo santo are burned to cleanse negative energy from both individuals and spaces. These methods, once dismissed as superstition, are now gaining recognition as scientific research uncovers the profound impact of vibration, intention, and frequency on the body and mind. Then there's the role of the chakras, energy centers that serve as gateways between the physical and the energetic. Ancient Indian traditions describe 7 main chakras, each governing a different aspect of existence. The root chakra, located at the base of the spine, connects to survival and stability. The sacral chakra, just below the navel, governs creativity and emotional flow. The solar plexus chakra, seated in the abdomen, radiates personal power and confidence. Moving upward, the heart chakra bridges the physical and spiritual, resonating with love and connection. The throat chakra influences expression and truth, while the third eye chakra, between the eyebrows, governs intuition and perception. At the crown, the final chakra connects to divine consciousness, the limitless field beyond individual identity. Each of these energy centers can become blocked or imbalanced, leading to specific physical, emotional, and psychological challenges. When the heart chakra is closed, a person may struggle with love or emotional vulnerability. When the solar plexus chakra is weak, they may feel powerless or directionless. When the third eye is clouded, intuition becomes stifled, and clarity is lost. Ancient wisdom has long known what science is only beginning to confirm, that these energy centers are not just symbolic representations, but real, functional aspects of human energy anatomy. Healing these imbalances requires more than just understanding them intellectually. It involves engaging in practices that restore the natural flow of energy within the body. Breathwork, for example, is a powerful tool that can stimulate and clear energy blockages. Deep, intentional breathing can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, easing stress while also circulating life force energy, known as prana or chi, throughout the energy field. This is why meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi are so effective in maintaining energetic balance. They harmonize the connection between the breath, body, and mind, allowing energy to move freely. Even more fascinating is the growing body of research on the role of the heart in energetic communication. The HeartMath Institute has conducted studies showing that the heart generates the largest electromagnetic field of any organ in the body, even greater than the brain. This field extends several feet beyond the physical body and changes dynamically based on emotional states. Feelings of gratitude, love, and compassion create a coherent, stable energy field, while stress, anger, and fear create chaotic, disorganized patterns. This suggests that emotions are not merely internal experiences, but radiate outward, influencing both the person experiencing them and those around them. Imagine two individuals standing side by side, each emanating their own electromagnetic field. If one is in a state of peace and the other in turmoil, their fields interact, subtly affecting one another. This could explain why being around positive, high-energy individuals makes one feel uplifted, while being around negativity drains energy. On a larger scale, this concept suggests that collective human consciousness is not just a metaphor, but a tangible energetic reality, where the combined emotional states of people shape the vibrational atmosphere of entire communities, cultures, and even the world. This understanding has deep implications. It suggests that by taking control of one's own energy field, by cultivating inner peace, practicing mindfulness, and aligning with higher frequencies, one is not only improving personal well-being, but also contributing to a larger, collective energetic shift. This is why ancient traditions emphasize the importance of inner transformation as the key to changing the outer world. The more people attune to positive, harmonious frequencies, the greater the impact on the energetic fabric of humanity. But what happens when one neglects their energy field? Over time, unresolved emotions, suppressed trauma, and negative thought patterns accumulate, forming energetic imprints that persist even when one is unaware of them. These imprints, or energetic residues, can shape behavior, attract certain experiences, and even carry forward across lifetimes. This is why some spiritual traditions speak of karmic energy, patterns of cause and effect that extend beyond a single lifetime, influencing the path of the soul. Interestingly, some researchers believe that this concept is not just spiritual, but may have scientific merit. The emerging field of epigenetics suggests that trauma and emotional experiences can leave molecular imprints on DNA, affecting not only the individual, but future generations. This means that the energy one carries, both inherited and self-created, has a tangible effect on biology, psychology, and destiny itself. Breaking free from negative cycles requires more than just intellectual awareness. It demands energetic healing, a conscious effort to release the burdens of the past and realign with higher states of being. This is where deep spiritual practices come into play. Many traditions speak of energy purification, whether through fasting, meditation, chanting, or sacred rituals, as a means of cleansing the energetic body and restoring harmony. These practices are not just about belief. They serve as methods of tuning into the natural rhythms of the universe, dissolving blockages, and reconnecting with the flow of life force energy. In ancient cultures, those who mastered these energies were often revered as sages, healers, or mystics. They understood that true power does not come from force or external control, but from the mastery of one's own energy field. By harmonizing with the frequencies of nature, these individuals access deeper states of awareness, intuition, and even healing abilities that seemed miraculous to the untrained eye. Could it be that the key to unlocking human potential has always been hidden in plain sight? That by shifting one's energetic state, one could transform not only personal reality, but the very fabric of existence itself? If the energy field holds the blueprint of one's life, then learning to work with it is not just an esoteric practice. It is a profound path to self-mastery, one that has the power to redefine what it means to be alive. Your energy field is like an ever-changing ocean, constantly flowing, expanding, and contracting based on your thoughts, emotions, and interactions. It doesn't just respond to what happens inside you. It actively shapes your reality. The more you become aware of this, the more power you have to influence your own life in profound ways. When your energy is clear and aligned, you attract experiences that reflect your inner balance. But when your field is clouded with unresolved emotions, negative thought patterns, or external interference, life can feel chaotic, heavy, and disconnected. This is why maintaining energetic balance is not just a spiritual practice. It is essential for overall well-being. When your energy field is vibrant, it acts as a natural filter, keeping you emotionally stable and physically healthy. But if it becomes weakened, you may notice symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, or even physical ailments that seem to have no clear medical explanation. Many chronic illnesses, anxiety disorders, and even depression have roots in energetic imbalances that go unnoticed and untreated for years. Your aura and energy centers hold imprints of every experience you've ever had. Past traumas, negative beliefs, and even ancestral patterns can linger in your field, influencing your behavior and emotions without you realizing it. These energy blockages can manifest as repeating life patterns, such as attracting toxic relationships, struggling with financial abundance, or feeling stuck in cycles of self-doubt. The key to breaking these cycles is learning to cleanse, strengthen, and realign your energy. One of the most effective ways to do this is through breath work. The breath is a direct link between the physical body and the subtle energy field, acting as a bridge between the conscious and unconscious mind. Certain breathing techniques, such as deep diaphragmatic breathing or alternate nostril breathing, help release stagnant energy, reset the nervous system, and bring clarity to the mind. Breath is the carrier of life force. When you consciously control it, you can direct energy throughout your body, dissolving blockages and restoring balance. Another method is sound healing. Vibrations, whether from singing bowls, tuning forks, or even your own voice, interact with the frequencies of your energy field, helping to restore harmony. Ancient cultures understood this well. Mantras, chants, and sacred sounds were used to realign energy fields long before modern science began exploring the effects of sound on the human body. Each sound carries a frequency that can interact with your energy field, either disrupting or healing it. For example, the frequency of 528 Hz is often referred to as the love frequency and is believed to promote DNA repair and overall healing. Beyond individual practices, your daily environment also plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced energy field. The places you spend time in, the people you surround yourself with, and even the objects you keep in your home all contribute to the energetic atmosphere around you. This is why many spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of space cleansing, removing stagnant energy from your surroundings so that your personal energy field remains clear and vibrant. Smudging, an ancient practice that involves burning herbs like sage, palo santo, or frankincense, is one way to cleanse a space energetically. The smoke binds to negative energy, lifting it away and making room for fresh, high-vibrational energy to take its place. Other methods include sound cleansing, using bells, clapping, or chanting to break up dense energy, and using salt, which is known for its ability to absorb unwanted frequencies. But beyond external cleansing, the most powerful transformations happen when you take responsibility for the energy you carry within you. Your thoughts, emotions, and intentions shape your energy field far more than any external factor. If you find yourself constantly feeling drained, ask yourself, what thoughts am I feeding? What emotions am I holding on to? Where am I giving away my power? Learning to shift your energy intentionally can be life-changing. One of the most powerful techniques